Yo, what is up, Zevnash? So today I'll be doing a review, not a review, do-it-yourself candy kit. I don't know if you guys know about these, but it's like basically a DIY candy kit, and it's like little like arts and crafts kind of thing. You'll see. If you don't know, you'll see. I usually do these with my girlfriend because I'm not very good at following instructions, to be honest. There's a lot to it. Fill that to the fill line, and then it says, but yellow powder. These are a lot more tedious than I remember, to be honest. So essentially you just make this dough. So it has these two sizes. I have to make these. One of the top one, and two of the bottom one. What are these for? I do not know yet. So one of these is a waffle. Ooh, this is kind of hard to follow. Oh, fuck. I'm not gonna lie, I'm losing my mind here. I'm not having fun anymore. This is too much. I think I put too much water. It's so fucked up. Oh my gosh. Alright, I can't take this anymore. Alright, 2 balls. Oh, that looks way worse than the first one. Oh, I didn't read the instructions. Okay. Okay. Oh, maybe I've just picked a really hard one. I'm gonna press through for you guys. I can't do this. I can't do this. I just want to be done with this. I don't want to play anymore. I put some of the things in their respective molds. I don't think they're coming out of the molds. I'm gonna be honest, guys. Okay. We have a waffle. That's not bad. That's not bad though. Okay. I don't know where to put this. Let me make the flan cake. Okay. Does that look like a strawberry? What do you guys think? I don't know. Carefully place it there. Okay. Let me finish everything first, and then, you know, I'll give you guys can take a look at what I made, and then you guys can let me know what you think, okay? All right. I picked out the fish. What do you guys think? Does that look like a fish to you guys? That's one side of the fish. Let me try to do this other one really good. All right, just line them up with their respective. Okay. All right, this is the grand reveal, guys. You ready? Japanese, I think it's called Poppin cookin candy do-it-yourself kit. All right, so first we got the taiyaki. Pretty accurate. It's upside down. Of course, it's not accurate. Now, what y'all think? How accurate is that? 6.5. A little doughy, but not bad. Flan. Boom. Check it out. What y'all think? Mine might be even better because I was so resourceful. This one has 1 strawberry. This one comes with 2. I can't even taste the strawberry. Honestly, that more or less tastes exactly the same. I give that 6.5 too. Rabbit. Boom. I forgot the tail. I don't know which way is front either. But some rabbits, almost just as doughy, but just strawberry this time. 6.5. Last is a melon pan. What do you guys think? You would think it tastes like melon. This is probably gonna taste like the rest of the other 3. I was right. Would I make this kit again? No. That's gonna be the end of the video. Leave any comments down below what I should try next. I'll try to source them if I can. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.